Well, we know that fall is a really busy time of year for all of us. The kids are back in school, you got sports, you're running around, you're doing a lot of things in the car, and it is also a busy time of year for the critters here along coastal Delmarva, and we do have to share the road, otherwise it could be a bad look for our vehicles. We've got Hunter Emery, owner of the Emery Agency, with our friends at State Farm. Welcome back, first of all. And the last time we talked to you, we were talking more home insurance. This time we're sharing the road with the animals out there. So what does it look like, especially as we head into those colder months? Animal collisions, wildlife collisions.
Yeah. So, and first off, thanks for letting me be here again with you guys. But as we enter in the fall, we have a lot of animal collisions that happen. You know, you think about animals are starting to get in that hibernation period, mating season's kicking in. We're entering the rut for Delaware with regards to deer. Keep in mind, our rut starts around November this year for deer, with the way the moons are going to work. And what that means is a lot of the deer that are out there who may have normally been quiet, kept to themselves back in the woods, are going to be out and about looking for mates, does, that type of thing. So they're going to be crossing the streets back and forth, especially in our rural areas. You know, you think about a rural road, you have a lot of farmland, that's where they eat, that's where they are out and about in those areas, and we have a lot of accidents that come from that time frame, in those areas at that time. Prime example, in our office, we average about 45 to 50 accidents in regards to comprehensive collision and deer hits during that October, November, and December season.
And our roads, especially those rural roads that you're talking about, we don't have a lot of places to go. There's not a lot of shoulder there.
No.
So what are some of the safety measures people should be trying to employ so that they, you can't always avoid it, but it can give you a better chance?
Yeah, absolutely. Slow down, number one. So if you see a deer on the road, slow down. Don't try to speed up to get past it, because a lot of times you'll spook them and they're going to run out in front of you at that point. You're going to have a higher loss in regards to that damage. It's going to be more expensive than slowing down. Number two, keep in mind there's one, there's probably more.
Yep.
Right? There's a herd of deer, as they say. So we've seen many times where people go past one and then all of a sudden one will run to the side of the vehicle. Okay? So that happens a lot too. So be aware of what's around you. Number three, I always say, is distractions. Your phone, your radio, all those things. Every time you do that, you have a 23% higher chance of having an accident. And especially during that fall period, we have these animals out running about.
Let's say you were unfortunate, you hit the deer, you're okay.
Okay, good.
You know, you're okay, but what is, sort of the next process if they need to get a hold of their insurance person? How does that all go?
Yeah, let's talk through that. So first off, we want to make sure you're safe. If you are injured, call 911 and go through that. Take a look at your vehicle. Check around you to make sure there's no other vehicles out and about. Step out of your vehicle, check your vehicle out, take pictures of your vehicle. Unfortunately, if the deer is there or the animal is there, take a picture of that. It's going to help the insurance company with realizing, hey, this was an animal hit. We can see A and B, this happened. The evidence is there. Number three is, if that animal is still alive, unfortunately, you need to call 911. DNR will come out and euthanize that animal, and then DelDOT can help remove that animal from the road in case someone else has an accident with it. But contact your local insurance State Farm agent. Hopefully call our office there, and we'll walk you through the process of turning that claim in, because you want to make sure you have comprehensive coverage. That's the only way animal hits are covered on your insurance, is comprehensive coverage. So a lot of times what our folks will do, they'll turn that claim in. We'll set them up with a local auto body shop. They'll take the vehicle right there. The process is handled. They fix the vehicle. We cut a check, take care of it. It's all done. The great thing about comprehensive coverage too is it's not going to raise your rates. It's an act of God, is the way we describe it. So it's something out of your control. Now, if you swerve, and we see this happen a lot, folks, you swerve to miss that deer and you run down to a ditch and damage your vehicle, or you hit a telephone pole or a tree or something like that, we're not going to be able to put that under comprehensive coverage, because we don't have it. The act hasn't happened. You haven't hit the animal. So it's going to fall under collision, and then it can be a surchargeable claim, which could raise your rates. You have that accident on your record for 3 years.
So if somebody's looking for coverage, if maybe they need to switch providers, they want a better deal, they want a situation that works for them, how do they get a hold of you? How do they get in with your group?
Absolutely, yeah. So you can call our office at 302-855-2100. They can visit our office in Milford or Georgetown, Delaware. We're located right on West Market Street in Georgetown and right on DuPont Highway in Milford. Or they can go online, and that's probably one of the easiest ways to get a hold of us to start the process, at savewithhunter.com. SAVEWITH, Hunter, HUNTER.com.
Well, Hunter Emery, thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for encouraging us to, take our time, drive a little safer out there, especially as we head into the October, November months that are going to be a little bit more dangerous on the roadways. We appreciate you.
Thank you. Appreciate it, guys.
Coming up on CoastLife, though, we've got a beach day to celebrate. We've got more details on the way.